What's going on, guys? My name is Cameron Kelly with Prolific Traders. In this video right here, I want to go over July 30th and go over the couple of the trades that you could have caught if you were using our system. First, I want to go over the steps that we use in order to get into our trade. So the first step is going to be to identify our levels using our instant charting tool. Next step is going to be to look for our 3-step entry candles. Right here we have a bullish example followed by a bearish example. And then the last step is going to be to enter our trade on our entry candle and manage it based on our exit analysis indicator. Now I just want to jump into Thinkorswim and get right into these trade opportunities. We had a whole bunch for today. As usual, you're going to see at least three winning setups with us with our system. And like I always say, it only takes one trade. Right here we have a quick opportunity for 26% for our first call. You can see the previous day level held, the VWAP held, 2 previous day levels, and then we had the 3-step right there. We did end up pulling up to the major level of resistance where we had a lot of time to look to get out that trade before price did give us a 3-step to the downside. It actually gave us 2 entries here, one off the major level of resistance, one off the minor level of resistance. This went for about 60% here on the drop down, breaking through the opening range. We did, however, end up pulling back and had the major level of support trade, the exact opposite of this trade up here, and we ended up pulling right back up to that major level of resistance. So on the way down and on the way up, 60% this way, 60% that way. It's a very solid trading morning, honestly, especially for a Wednesday. This is pretty bizarre for the past month or so, I would say, for Wednesdays. Right here, we continue on with another 20% call on the minor level of support here. You can see the 200 EMA was interacted with as well as the opening range. And that 3-step right there was given here at 1337, quick 20% up there. You can see price gave us an exit indication here, but usually it gives you a second chance or so. I would not obviously not listen to your exit indications just because of the fact it gives you a second chance, but price does from time to time, majority of the time, give you 2 chances to get out of that trade opportunity. But right here we can see that first exit opportunity given around 1347. And then the last trade I want to go over here is a break and retest off of this 50% level. Key setup right here. You can see all the key ingredients here. Trend, bubble, 9 EMA, 200 EMA, VWAP, 50% level, opening range. It's a lot of stuff there. And then we have the entry at 1449 and the beautiful breakdown, right? And we even had another break and retest here off the previous day levels to continue us down more. And this one right here went for over 100%. So very nice trade there to bring us into power hour. And that was really it. We did have a power hour trade here as well for another 60% off of the major level of support. You can see the 3-step given there, right? Price pulls up, pulls down, 3-step given, and the entry, to be specific for this trade, was at 1547, right? So put the arrow there, 1547. You can see price ended up pushing right above that level of resistance, actually retested it, gave another 3-step to the upside, but obviously at this point, a couple minutes to market close, not smart to look to get into a trade at that time. So this carried us through and we're able to end up here at that point, and that was it for today. So as I said, we're going to have at least 3 trades. Right here, you can see we had about 4 to 5 winning setups, and that's why I say it only takes one, right? It only takes one trade. You can see 60% that way, 60% this way, right? All over the place. So if this is something that you're looking to do, book a call. We'll see if we're a good fit to work together, and we'll take it from there. Thank you for watching this one.